All right, my name is Trajil HMB. A musician, movie director, and activist. Son of the soil, Oyaje Nojaje, from Okpoku local government. Yeah.
Okay. How do you feel today at the Idoma International Carnival Day 2?
Feel good, feel great, feel feel like I'm somewhere that no one has ever been. You know, it feels great being at home. It feels great being with my people who recognizes the work that we are putting out. You know, so coming here, I saw a lot of amazing things. The people, the culture, the costumes, the atmosphere, and the interactions among the people. So I can say that Idoma International Carnival is going far and farther. I made some posts and people were asking me, is this Calabar Carnival? And I said, no. Are you not seeing the black and red? Are you not seeing the blue, the black? Come on, this is Idoma International Carnival. That means we are taking a higher dimension. So I feel good, I feel happy, and I want to say that every Idoma sons and daughter out there, you must know that whatever that is happening here is not local. In fact, call it local because it is our tradition, it is our culture, and we must not neglect it. Everyone is falling back home, and we expect that we should all fall back home, support our own things because no matter what happens in the USA, I say USA, I think the what's it called? Conceptual of this event, uh, conceptualist of the event. I think it's outside. It's based outside. Yeah. So that's to say, he loved the people, and he comes home. This man might choose not to do anything, but he chooses to come home every Christmas season and make his people happy. You know, so we have to support. We have to do everything. We have to encourage. We have to share the videos. We have to make videos. If you cannot post, share for the people who can post. It doesn't matter if you share. You don't need to like it before you share, before you comment, before you like. So we have to support the Idoma things. I believe in Idoma so much. Yes. And we must do it well. Yep. I think that's it for now. And I want to say that this TV, Madam Peace TV, you are doing a great job. You are doing a great job, and I want everybody to go and subscribe to their channel, either YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere that you can. Maybe you do it to all. It's good. I love what they are doing, and I want to encourage them. You know, let's give the vibe. Aidoma, iyaloho, oladuma Odadula lati alabon abakpe alekobonu. We have to support ourselves. Aloti alolabo. Odadula out here alole do mama. Akowi enane. Odadula dokoya no. Ekalo. So aloti alo support yalo. Alu video ima share no dadoka share. Alodoko take over. Alodoka ki do makono ega dudu. So that is the dream. That is what we want to do. Anya lakpem. Yes. Thank you. Have a nice time. Yeah.